Do you often take note during meeting or lectures and want a cleaner, more organized way to write them down? Try using a special template in Samsung Note, the one with a red vertical line, just like a traditional notebook. It's perfect for writing structured notes and separating key points. To try it, first you have to set the default template to that template. To do so, open Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Tap default note style, then tap style. Scroll through the template and choose the one with line peak and a red vertical margin line. Now every new note will start with this template. Next, let's create a new note. Tap the packet twice, and then tap create new note icon at the bottom right. Remove your S Pen and start writing. While using this template, you can use the left margin to write quick labels and the right side to write the details or description. So given to the function, this format helps you keep your note neat and easy to review later. Great for meeting summaries, action item, and every study note. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.